The 2008 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, keyless entry, power passenger seat, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, bucket seats, passenger airbag, child safety locks, MP3 player, CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.